Good morning, everyone. This is chapter 11, perimeter and area. And today we are going to discuss firstly about perimeter. So perimeter is the total length or total distance covered along the boundary of a closed shape. Suppose that we have a closed shape like this. So in this diagram or in this shape, the perimeter will be equal to A plus B plus C plus D. So the perimeter of the quadrilateral will be A plus B plus C plus D, sum of all the sides, as you already know. Next is the area. So what is area? We know that the area is the total amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Means suppose we have a closed figure like this. So the area is the total amount of the surface enclosed by the closed figure. So इस सर्किल ने जितना भी एरिया कवर किया है अपने अंदर, that will be called the area, and that surface will be called the area of this circle. So next is, what is the perimeter of square and rectangle? You already knew it, that the perimeter of a square, we know that all the sides of a square are same. Suppose we have a square and one side of the square is A, it means that all the three sides are of a centimeter. So if we find the area of that square, it will be equal to A plus A plus A plus A. That means 4 times A, or we can say 4A, where A is the length of the each side of square. Now if you have to find the perimeter of a rectangle, so we know that in a rectangle we have two parallel sides which are equal to each other. In any rectangle, the sides are parallel and also equal to each other. So here we can see that this side is equal to this side and also parallel. This side means breadth is also parallel and equal to. So the perimeter of rectangle is L plus B plus B. That means 2 times of L plus B, where L and B are the length and the breadth of the rectangle respectively. Now, area of square and rectangle. So for area of square and rectangle, we know that one side of the square is A, that means area of the square will be 4 into A square. A square means 4. The area of square is, sorry, it's not 4, it's A square. So area of square is A square, means side square. Here A is the length of each side. Okay, here A is the length of each side, as you know already. Now area of a rectangle is length into breadth, where we can see that L is the length of the rectangle and B is the breadth of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is L into B. Now area of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, we have two sides parallel, means AB and CD are parallel, and AC and BD are also parallel. This is called a parallelogram. So for finding the area of a parallelogram, we must know the base of the parallelogram as well as the height of the parallelogram. So for area of parallelogram, we will write, the formula is B into H. B means base, and the base is from C to D. and the base distance is from C to D. So this is B into height h is from, this is called a perpendicular line. We know that height is something that is at 90 degrees. So this is not the height. BD and AC are not the heights. The height of the parallelogram is A to, if this point is E, that means height is A to E, that is H. Okay, so the area of parallelogram is base into height, that is B into H. Now triangle as part of rectangle. Suppose you have a rectangle A, B, C and D. Now you will divide this rectangle diagonally. When you divide this rectangle diagonally, it will divide it into two congruent triangles. As you know, congruent means which has same shape and size. Those are called congruent triangles. These two triangles are also having shape and size same. That is, AC is 5, that's, and BD will be also 5 because it is making an rectangle. Same, CD is 10, that means AB is also 10 because it is a rectangle. But when we divide it through AD, through the diagonal, it will give us two triangles, that is ABD and ACD. ABD and ACD, where they are making two congruent triangles. So if we want the area of each triangle, so the area of each triangle will be equal to half of area of the full rectangle. अगर हम दो ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया निकालना चाहते हैं तो हम इसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं दैट एरिया ऑफ हाफ रेक्टेंगल. सो वी विल फाइंड area half of area of rectangle, that is 1/2 in bracket length into breadth, that is 1/2 into 10 into 5. It means 25 centimeter square is the area of one triangle, and the area of two triangles will be 25 centimeter square each triangle. Now moving on to next part, it is area of a triangle. What is the area of a triangle? So area of a triangle is again base, half of base into height. The area of a parallelogram हमने पढ़ा था b into h, base into height, but the area of a triangle is base into half of base into height. Means suppose you have a parallelogram where ABCD. Here you diagonally divide it from B to D and then draw a perpendicular line from D to the baseline, which gives you height of that triangle. When we divide a rectangle or when we divide a parallelogram diagonally, we got two triangles. First triangle is BDC and another triangle is ADAB या ABD. Now here we have the height of the triangle and the base of the triangle. So the area of the triangle is half of base into height. Okay. Now moving on to the next part, we come to circle. What is circle? So circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Polygon क्या होते हैं? Polygon वो होते हैं जिनमें there are more than sides than 2, जिनमें जो sides का number होता है वो 2 से ज़्यादा होता है. That will be called a polygon. Okay. Now circle don't have any lines, that's why it is not a polygon. It is a closed curve. A circle is a collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Circle, you can draw infinite number of radius within a circle. That's why they are saying that circle is a collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. The fixed point in the middle of the circle is called the center point, from where we draw the radius and also the diameter of the circle. The perimeter of a circle is also known as the circumference of the circle. Now, what is the circumference of a circle? The circumference of a circle is the total path or total distance discovered by the circle. Distance covered by the circle. It is also called a perimeter of the circle. So the formula for the circumference of the circle is 2 into pi into r. Here pi is a constant, or we can say it is a Greek symbol that is introduced by William Jones in 1706. Means 1706 में विलियम जोन्स ने हमें एक कांस्टेंट दिया था जिसकी वैल्यू होती है 3.141 इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेसिमल एंड 22/7 इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. So pi is a constant which is defined as the ratio of a circle circumference to its diameter. Now, area of circle. Area of circle is the total region enclosed by the area is called area of the circle. The area of the circle is pi r square. The circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and the area of the circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Okay, now what is pi? I told you everything about pi. Pi is the constant which is defined as the ratio of a circle circumference 2 pi r to the diameter. Okay, so pi basically the value of pi is 3.141. ये आपको याद करनी पड़ेगी दोनों, because in the form of decimal it is 3.141 and in the form of fraction it is 22/7. Now moving on to the next point, it is area of mixed shape. So to find the area of a shaded portion using the given information, so firstly we will try to find the area of rectangle, and then we will try to find the area of this semicircle, and then from the area of rectangle we will subtract the area of semicircle, then we will get the area of shaded part. This is the way to solve these type of questions. Please have a look of this question and then we will do the exercises in the next time. Thank you.